In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Microsoft Planner 2025. First things first, log in to your Microsoft 365 account. This is essential because Microsoft Planner is part of the Microsoft 365 suite of productivity tools. Once you're logged in, locate the Planner app. You can find it by clicking on the app's menu, usually represented by a small grid icon in the top left corner of your screen. Now, let's create a new plan. Give it a clear and descriptive name that reflects its purpose or project. If you already have a Microsoft 365 group or team, you can link your plan to it. This makes collaboration much easier since all members can view and update tasks together. If you're starting from scratch, you can build your plan manually or use one of Planner's pre-built templates. Templates are a great way to save time and start with a structured layout that you can customize to your needs. Next, begin organizing your plan using buckets. Buckets help divide tasks into categories or phases, making it easier to manage workflows. Within each bucket, you'll add individual tasks. Be sure to include key details like task name, due date, and the person responsible for completing it. Assigning tasks to specific team members creates accountability and ensures clarity on who's handling what. It's also helpful to set both start and due dates to keep your schedule on track. As work progresses, update each task status, whether it's not started, in progress, or completed. You can then use the charts view to visualize progress across buckets and see how your team is performing overall. You can also attach files and documents directly to tasks so everything needed to complete the work stays in one place. Use labels to categorize tasks by priority, department, or any other custom tags you choose. If you want to focus on certain types of tasks, use filters. For example, to view tasks due soon or assigned to specific people. These filtered views help with workload management and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Switching to the calendar view gives you a visual timeline of tasks and deadlines, helping you plan your schedule more efficiently. You can even integrate Planner with your Outlook calendar so your task deadlines appear alongside meetings and other important events. Finally, Microsoft Planner is built for team collaboration. The built-in chat and commenting features allow team members to communicate directly within tasks, reducing the need for separate messages or emails. This keeps everyone aligned and boosts overall productivity. With these tools and features, Microsoft Planner 2025 makes project management more organized, visual, and collaborative than ever before.